Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and this is how I'm starting my Meatless Monday. So I have some oranges, one lemon, a couple of carrots. I have some ginger and turmeric. Just a couple of pieces of turmeric in there, right? I have a pineapple. We're going to get this Meatless Monday ready. Yeah? So I'm going to juice all of this wonderful fresh vegetables and fruits. We're going to get it all together and we are going to make our first meal of this Monday, this Meatless Monday. Yeah. So I'm making enough juice not only for my breakfast, but it will be my lunch also. And then for dinner, I'm going to have a nice big spinach salad that my son purchased for me yesterday. So I'm looking forward to that too. But we're going to get this juice in and then we're going to go outside in the garden because Ben, he's already working out there, y'all. He's already working, so I'm going to get out there and meet him out there. All right? Let's go, y'all. Let's get this day started. It's Monday. It's Meatless Monday, and this is my fresh juice on this beautiful Monday, cloudy, rainy morning. But let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
You just really knocking down so I can see.
Yeah. Yeah. So Ben is over there. Say hey, Ben.
Hey.
Raise your hand up so they can see you, man. Yo, Ben getting it down. They're going to start growing back very, very fast, family. Very fast. Now, this is just the first chopping. He's going to get it shorter, but he need to take him down first so he can see what he's doing. All right, Ben?
That's right.
Yeah. So, but he's going to get them all down. And you will see that the ones that produced a rack, they will not come back. Don't worry. I'll share it with you. Okay? Yeah. Well, there's the plantains, y'all. Oh, my babies. Oh, my babies. My babies. But they're going to be another chopping, but, I'm taking some of these plantains and I'm going to put them around my trees that's in the ground. I'm going to put some in super juice. Yeah. Now, this is what I wanted to share with you. When a plantain or a banana produces a rack of fruit, that plant will not come back. The plants are beginning to come back just this fast, right? I'm going to share with you that in the middle of the plant like this, it has begun to grow already, and it hasn't been 24 hours yet. This is the wonders of bananas and plantains. Now, this plant, it produced a rack of plantain. It is not coming back, family. This one is, but this one, nope. She had a rack, so it is not coming back. This plant is dead. So we're gonna definitely cut all of those up, the ones that had producer rack, and I'm gonna use it in super juice. I'm gonna use it around other plants because they are full of potassium and so much more. So now I'm going to get Jody. Let's go pick up Jody, and we're going to go over to the orange store. I think I want to find me a blue tiff blueberry. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go pick up Jody, and we're going to go over to the blue store. And we're going to find some seeds. Let's go find some seeds, y'all. So I am at the orange store, and Jody and I are looking at fruit trees, and fruit bushes. So I was telling Jody was saying this is a blueberry. I'm looking for a rabbit eye. And why a rabbit eye? Because rabbit eyes grow well in zone 9. And it's a Tiff Blue rabbit eye. Yay. We just got to find out how much this baby costs. Tiff Blue.
$31.99.
$31.99. They're pretty big though.
Yeah, $31.99.
All right.
It's on this little orange ticket here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, 98.
98. Okay.
Ooh.
So here's all of the fruit trees. It's a peach belle of Georgia, and that's $33.98, huh?
Yeah.
So all of these are peach?
Oh my goodness.
All of them.
You gotta get a better variety.
You got Alberta. Who else?
They got a plum tree down here.
Is a Kiefer pear.
A plum Santa Rose.
A Santa Rosa?
Rosa?
Yeah, Rosa. Yeah. You got a Bartlett pear over here.
Anna apple.
You got an Anna apple? Okay.
Apple Dorset.
Yeah.
Golden.
Wait, who is this? That's a Kiefer.
These trees are high.
How much is it?
$33.
$33, yeah.
God, we should have went stopped at the river.
Oh, boy. So there's plums over there you saw, Jody?
Anna apples.
Oh, and apples.
Yeah, plums.
Mm-hmm.
Rosa.
Santa Rosa.
No, A-U Rosa.
Okay.
Rosa, I guess.
Okay.
And Santa Rosa, yeah.
Yeah. So let's see, what's this? That's another belle of Georgia.
Myrtle.
Huh?
This tree. This is plant. This is flowers or plants.
Flowers.
Yeah.
All of these. Cool. His exhaust.
Yeah.
My
It's
God.
exhausting me.
So here's some smaller blueberries.
Yeah.
Let's see how much they are, Mommy.
$10. Now see, now this what I'm talking about.
But I want a Tiff Blue.
A Tiff Blue.
Yeah, rabbit eye.
What about this Tiff? I mean, wait, what did it say?
Tiff Blue.
Okay.
Rabbit eye.
Oh, okay.
Tiff Blue.
We got blueberry legacy. Blueberry legacy.
I don't want
Legacy.
look like all of them legacies.
Look like they need to get a better variety.
Oh, those are great
Yeah.
grapes.
Red and black and purple. Blackberry.
Yeah.
That might be
Blueberries over there.
yeah, that's what we saw that first one.
Yeah, let's go see.
Let me see.
All right.
I know my plants.
You know you're playing?
Yeah.
Jody have become a gardener.
Yeah. Let's see.
All right, here's some more blueberries over here.
Blueberry
All these here legacies are all the
No,
same.
this is black.
Let's see.
Oni. I don't know that one, baby.
Oh,
I have no idea. This is powder blue,
yeah.
bright. Well, Jesus Christ. Let me see. Powder blue. I don't know that name.
Yeah. Oh, Tiff Blue. Right here, Jody.
Oh, yeah.
Tiff Blue.
Yeah.
How much she cost?
$10.
$10. Get that girl.
Yeah.
Get that girl. Let's see if there's another one back here. Because I have it. Oh, here's another one. Let's see. This one here look better.
Bye.
Oh, the police?
Yeah.
God bless you.
Baby, that's when you're a good citizen of Louisiana.
You what?
A good citizen of Louisiana. The police come to me waving. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Officer. Check me. Check me out. Yeah.
All right.
Give me the thumbs up.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go inside and see what they got.
Okay.
All right.
We gotta go the bulbs.
Yeah, they should have some potatoes. They're in a little box. Anyway, here are the, we're over here by the seeds.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of, $2.79. That's crazy. Wow. All of these is just beans. Oh, here's some asparagus. That's one of the things. These are asparagus long beans, but there is some beans that is like asparagus, but they are oriental beans. Oh. But I don't see them over here. Got a lot of okra. This.
They had a lot of vegetables that fell over.
Where, Jody?
The one that fell over.
Yeah.
That was all vegetables.
That's all right. Let it stay over there too. Baby, who cares? All right. I got Cosmo. Light speaks to me. Okay. So all of these are herbs. These are some chamomiles too. Oh. What, Jody?
I was about to say thyme. Thyme.
That's garbanzo beans?
Yeah.
That's garbanzos, right? Which is crazy. You could go to the store and buy a bag of garbanzo bean for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. How much those seeds are?
$3.
Shit.
Oregano, onion, radish, pumpkin, sorrel. Oh, those are large leaf. That's cool. It's a garden large leaf.
What?
Digs.
The sorrel?
Yeah.
See, get that daikon right here, white. How much is that?
The same thing, $3.
Shit. Elephant ears. And you know I don't need that.
These are cool though, yeah. $14?
Yes.
All right, so guys, we have some, let's see how many gallon it is. I'm about to see now. Oh, 21 gallon for $8.98. And they're black and they're really deep. Yep, they're real deep and they're big and they're nice. Home Depot, y'all.